Good morning, class. This is Science, Chapter 2, The Teeth. In the previous class, I have told you about the different types of teeth, their total number of teeth present in our mouth, and their functions also. Right? 4 types: incisors, canines, molars, and premolars. Right? And then afterwards I taught you about the parts of tooth, that is crown and root, layers of tooth, that is enamel, dentine and pulp. Okay. So today, as we know that teeth are very important to us, but what if we will not take care of them properly? What can happen afterwards? So these are the points that I'm going to tell you today, that what if you will not take care of your teeth. Okay. Now, as you can see this picture shows what is written. You can see here, it is written tooth decay. Decay means the tooth will get damaged. Do you want that? I don't think that you want. No one wants it. But want or doesn't want is not the only thing. We have to do something for that. Okay. So now today I'm going to tell you first of all what is tooth decay and how it causes. Okay. Now, as we all eat food and you can see the spaces. The spaces are there in between our teeth. So what happens when we eat, the small food particles get stuck in the spaces between our teeth. यहाँ पर खाना फंस जाता है. Okay, and if we do not rinse our mouth properly or if we do not brush, so what happened, that food which was stuck here, that start getting rots. It start getting rot. Rot means सड़ना शुरू करता है. It start getting decompose in our mouth. सड़ेगा वो. Here itself, in between our teeth. So what happens? Slowly our teeth, as you can see the color of these teeth, they are yellow in color. So our teeth get covered with a thin sticky layer. Sticky means chippy. Sticky layer, it start covering our teeth. So that sticky layer of germs is known as plaque. यानी हमारे टीथ के ऊपर प्लाक कलेक्ट हो गया, एक थिन लेयर कलेक्ट हो गई है. एंड आफ्टर दैट, plaque means the sticky layer of germs, it react with the sugar. Sugar means हमारे फूड में हमेशा शुगर प्रेजेंट होता है. ओके, जो हमारे फूड में पहले से होता है. ऐसा नहीं कि हम चीनी डालेंगे then only it will be there. Sugar is always there in every type of food, mostly. ठीक है. So the sugar that present already in our food, plaque reacts with the food, means that sugar, and it start spoiling our tooth. That enamel, I told you, if you remember, that enamel is the hardest substance of our body and the tooth. So अब ये सोचो, see, that hardest part can also get affected by the germs. That plaque reacts with the sugar and start producing acid. That acid decompose the enamel. जो acid produce होता है वो enamel को खराब कर देता है. And then this tooth decay causes that. You can see these are the effect of tooth decay. This is not the only effect. There are number of harmful things that can come after the tooth decay. So what is the sequence of tooth decay? Food gets stuck, food gets stuck in between. If you do not brush or rinse your mouth properly, it will start rotting again after some time. Then our teeth covered with a thin layer of germs called plaque. Plaque reacts with the sugar present in food and start producing the acid. And acid reacts with the enamel and damage it. So that is known as tooth decay. So what tooth decay can cause? First of all, you can see holes. Holes can be there in our teeth. That holes only known as cavities. बहुत कॉमन वर्ड है ना, यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड कैविटी हो गई है, टीथ में कैविटी हो गई है उसके, है ना. सो दैट होल्स आर नोन एज कैविटीज. सो टूथ डिके कैन कॉज कैविटीज इन द टीथ. टूथ ache also, you can see here the points are written. It can cause holes or cavities in teeth. Tooth ache means दांत में दर्द होना, tooth ache. Loss of teeth, the tooth may fall also. And foul smell from the mouth, the bad smell. Foul means bad smell. If your tooth get decay, your mouth can also start giving a bad smell, a very bad smell. And the last, digestive disorder means हमारा digestion भी खराब हो सकता है. Disorder means वो सही से काम नहीं करेगा, because everything goes from the mouth itself, so it can hamper our digestion. So our digestive system can also be damaged. Okay, digestive disorder. So do you want it? I guess no, not at all. So what we should do? We should take care of our teeth very much. So first of all, as your parents always say, but you don't listen to them, always eat salad and fruits, because when we chew them, it gives exercise to our gums. हमारी गम्स की एक्सरसाइज होती है when we eat vegetables, when we eat fruits, and it improves हमारे गम्स में जो ब्लड वेसल्स होती हैं. पल्प में, इफ यू रिमेंबर आई टोल्ड यू, पल्प में ब्लड वेसल्स एंड नर्व्स होती है ना, so that increases the flow of blood in our gums. So our gums will look pink if you do that. Okay, not black ones that some students has, the black gums. Your gums will look pink gums because the flow of blood is good. Okay, and what else we should do? We should brush our teeth. How many times? 2 times. Yes, twice, 2 times. When you wake up in the morning and when you go to sleep, before going to sleep. Okay, and what else you can do is, first I told you that brush your teeth, but how to brush the teeth? First of all, we only just do the outer surface. First of all, as you can see, outside surface of upper teeth. Okay, outside surface upper teeth in a downward, यानी ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ. Then inside also, then your molars and premolars, and inside also, and then the surface of the premolars and molars. So do it very nicely. Okay, we should eat balanced diet because it keeps our teeth and gums strong and healthy. Do not eat sweets, chocolates and fizzy drink because they spoil our teeth. They are very harmful for our teeth. Students, we should not have so much of sweets, chocolates or drinks. Okay? Milk is very good because milk has calcium. That we have studied in our previous chapter. Milk has calcium and teeth are also made up of calcium. So, calcium makes our teeth strong, and so we should have more amount of milk we must floss our teeth every day. What is actually floss? You can see this picture. You can see that floss. Floss is actually a thread. Floss is actually a very thin thread. A very thin thread that may pass in between the teeth. But please do not use the floss in the absence of your elders, because it is very sharp. It might cut your gums. Okay, so we should be very careful while doing it. So what floss does, it passes in between the teeth and it takes out the anything that gets in the teeth and it cleans that area. We should visit our dentist at least twice a year, so that dentist will tell us that if there is any problem in our teeth. See this structure, this is a thread, a fine thread that may pass through the teeth, in between of the teeth, but it is a very sharp one, so we have to be very careful. Okay, and the last thing, that if you do not clean your teeth, our teeth mostly get covered with a yellow substance, है ना. येलो कुछ बच्चों के टीथ के ऊपर येलो सा सब्सटेंस कलेक्ट हो जाता है. दैट येलो सब्सटेंस इज नोन एज tartar, and that tartar can be removed by only dentist. We can't remove it. Okay, so we should keep our teeth clean so that the tartar will not and should not deposit on our teeth. So teeth are very important, because only if teeth are there, then we can smile and we look good. If the teeth are not good, we hesitate to smile. Right? So take care of your teeth, and whatever instructions has been given to you, please follow them. Okay, class? Thank you.